Hey guys, it's me. I'm in my garage again, in my pajamas. I know, it's a going thing. I wanted to go over the Tesla SX3Y detailing kit. You can purchase this from the Tesla store for $120. I bought it so you don't have to. So I'm going to show you what it is, and I'm going to give you my opinion on it. Is it worth it? Now, some people just buy everything Tesla. They love Tesla, Tesla this, Tesla this. I like the idea of having this nice detailing kit in the car. I keep it in the sub trunk along with like jumper cables and I think I have a short where I put what I keep in my sub trunk, but this is one of the items I keep in the sub trunk. Have I used it? No. Is it a good idea? Sure. So it comes in this bag. You got the official Tesla symbol on it. It is a nice bag, and it zips. I have it unzipped already. Zipper seems to work pretty good. So the question is this worth $120? So when we open it up, so I've already used it some. So it comes with you have 4 sprayers, and they're off to the side. It comes with 4 sealed official Tesla rags, which kind of cool. So like, if you're a Tesla fanatic, like you should probably, this is probably for you. So everything in the kit. So you have a glass cleaner, which I've used already. The sprayers have a little lock on them here. So you do that, locks, undo it, lock. So I'd probably keep it locked in there. And as far as like, so here's the glass cleaner. The sprayer feels okay. I had watched a previous video. His kit looked a little better. It looked like they were like metal containers, and so when I purchased it, like I thought these were metal, and then you can buy the refill things. I believe they're $40 for a jug of each specific one, but these are plastic. They're not metal. These feel pretty basic and cheap. Like they're not anything special on the sprayers, and it's glass cleaner. The rags, they're nice. They're definitely decent quality, rags. I would say, probably better than a Kirkland's towel, which I'm a big fan of the Kirkland's microfiber towels. If you don't have a Costco membership, no big deal. You can order them from eBay. That's what I did. And they even came in a Costco box. So shout out Costco real quick. Continue. So yeah, that's the glass cleaner. Container wise, you can see I just squeeze it. It kind of just feels like a cheap plastic bottle. Like this doesn't feel like a bottle you would refill. This does not feel like a $120 bottle. So yeah, just saying. So moving on, we'll jump to the other one I already have the thing in. So this is the interior one. Next up, we have the interior cleaner. And one of my rags, so I'm going to use that now on my door. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. So I'm just going to use it down here because I prefer to use a different product, which I'll show you guys afterwards. So rub it on. Doesn't seem to leave any glossy, no smell. Let's see how it does, maybe on the sill guard here. Nothing crazy. It doesn't leave no shininess, nothing like that. Once again, like, is this a $120 bottle? Is this worth $120? I don't think so. If you want to use a good interior cleaner, I would recommend this one. I have it linked below. Any Amazon links you guys do click, obviously I do get a small kickback on, but it's more like I wish somebody had linked all this stuff for me in a place, and I would have just went through all their links when I first bought the car. It would have made my life so much easier trying to hunt down what they said in the video versus just following the link. So this stuff is alcohol based, works really good. I feel like it almost keeps, like, I don't want to say that new car smell, but it makes me feel like I'm keeping the new car smell when I use it. So not trying to sell this to you or anything, but just comparing that interior cleaner, this one. Like, I wish this one was in there, and maybe that is actually an idea because you can't buy a bigger bottle of that. So I'm going to set you guys back up here, and then we'll move on to the exterior cleaner. All right, so next is the exterior cleaner. So I'm going to do a fresh demo bottle here, crack the top, It does have a foil on that, and once again, just feels like a cheap plastic bottle. Like I said, when I watched the original video, and maybe they did make these metal at one time, but they are not now. You can just use this and poke through it eventually. See, there you go. And then you don't have to like peel the foil off or anything. So I'm going to put my new squirter in there. It does come locked. So slide this thing to the side. Now it's live. I'm going to open up a new microfiber towel that will be used only with the exterior spray. So, I mean, the microfiber towels, I mean, they're nice. I mean, you got the like harder side, then you got the fuzzy side. So I'll be using the fuzzy side because we'll be on the exterior. I'm sure there's a more professional term for that, but so yeah, I do have PPF on my front end, so I'm going to spray some on here. And as you can see, leaves the little suds, nothing crazy. We're going to go ahead and wipe that off. And obviously I'm just, you know, going back and forth right now. Usually I would go up and down. It doesn't seem to leave any greasy feeling or gloss. I mean, do I notice a difference? Smell test doesn't seem to have any smell. So yeah, that is the exterior cleaner. And so next we will move on to the all-purpose cleaner. Be right back. Alright, we're on to the last one. So I am gonna put, that's the glass cleaner, so I'm gonna put the glass cleaner one back like that. I've been keeping the rags like with it. So the exterior one, the interior one, because obviously I want to use the same rag for the same item. I don't know how well that's going to work when I go zip it back up, but we'll see. That have been working so far. But we're going to move the last one, which is the all-purpose one. So once again, I just wish these were metal bottles. If these were metal bottles, this kit would be worth it. I'm sorry, like I don't care about the sprayer being cheap, but to refill a basic plastic bottle, like, I don't know, like, I mean, yeah, it has the official Tesla symbol on it. Like, if you love anything Tesla, this kit's for you. So let's just put it that way. I bought it so you don't have to. Remember that. I'm the sucker who spent $120. Don't remind me. Of course, I dropped the sprayer. Got it. Poked it through. We don't do hard cuts in these videos. It's raw dog, baby. So it comes. Well, actually, this one was just unlocked. So we're gonna lock it back. So it's locked right now. Push it down. Now it's unlocked. So I would say the all-purpose cleaner is for like you have a colony of dead bugs on your front bumper. You have a pile of bird shit on the exterior and you just want to clean up. You spilled a pop in your car and you need to clean up the sticky mess. I would say that's what this is for. I would use the individual ones for the other ones. So we're going to open up a fresh, official Tesla microfiber towel. Let's get a smell test. Wow, smells like chemicals. Whew, game change. So obviously we'll use the fuzzy side, and I'll just spray a little. Like I got PPF on the front anyways. So wipe it off. Doesn't seem greasy or anything. Seems pretty basic. Smell test. This one has a little bit of a smell. It almost has more of a soap smell to it. So I don't know. That one does have a bit of a smell to it. So so I guess final verdict on it is, if you have extra money and you want to spend $120 and have this cool official Tesla cleaning kit to keep in your car like I did, but in my defense, the video I watched, and I watched so many videos when I was buying this car. I thought they were metal. I really did. I thought these were metal, and they're not. They're plastic. And I'm probably never going to refill them. If I do refill them, it'll be with a product of my choice. And if you guys are curious about which products, I mean, a glass cleaner, just use a glass cleaner. I mean, like, I think I used the Chemical Guys one. An all-purpose cleaner, use the Optimum. rinseless wash. You know, I refill a spray bottle already, just put that in it, and that goes the same for the exterior. Or you can put something more heavy duty in here, like I think there's like some Code Orange type products that you can put in the all-purpose one. But to spend $40 for a giant jug to refill my plastic Tesla branded plastic bottles, I don't see worth it. Now, I will say the carry case is nice. I don't want to. I'm assuming it's vegan-free leather. You know, and I'm actually able to keep the rags how they were placed. You know, I'll poke them in here a little bit, zip them up. You know, it's got a carry handle, so you know, you got the official Tesla label. I'm Tesla approved, and Tesla spent $120 on this. So yeah. Remember, I bought it, so you didn't have to. So yeah, that is the official Tesla SX3Y cleaning kit for $120 that you can purchase from the official Tesla store. That is my thoughts on it. If you want everything Tesla, buy it. If you don't give a crap, don't buy it. Have a good one, guys. See ya.